No more ravioli, baby. But I'm pretty sure you guys saw me struggling. I was trying to get the logo to sit like straight back. Oh, stop playing with me. That low key looks kind of good.
Stop it. Get some help.
But I definitely did panic. Like good news and bad news. Anyways, let me get to the second topic. I'm glad it's blurred out right there because I don't want to show you that part. I'm gonna go ahead. This part's already cracked. I get it. It's already cracked. There we go. I'm gonna take these off, and this, and this, and this. Hopefully without cracking it. And see if I can clear it up with some of this. I call this the magic sauce because it usually works on the other cars I have. Is this McGuire's Glaze Professional Cut Cleaner. I'll probably do it by hand because I don't have any pads. So let's try it. Alright, so I did like 3 dabs, like 3 separate dabs, like 1, and then I did another run, 2, and then 3, and then I cleaned off with just water. And yo, that doesn't look at that. That's pretty clear up close. That looks pretty near identical to new. Probably not as new, but still. This one you can kind of see it's like yellowing up, but because it's kind of hard to see through it. But this one you can almost see through it. So, pretty, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty stoked with the results on this, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that looks, dang, that's crazy. Seeing this one, like, wow. So I'm gonna do this one, same thing I did with that one, and then put it back together, and then I might even not even take out the top ones, but I might do it just so I know how to, because, I don't know. I wanna learn this one, but I think this one has a external plug all the way up inside, which I'm pretty sure it is. So let's go ahead and do the other one. Yo, look at this. Like, you see how yellow? Oh my, even on camera it looks busted. Had to say it. Dude, oh my goodness. See, this is the only W I can take. Oh yeah, I have it. Okay, I did some research. I'm gonna take a different approach. So I'm gonna buy another set of lens. It's come from Japan, but I know those are not, they're aftermarket regardless. Even though Japan aftermarket, whatever, they ain't OEM, because in Japan they don't come with, they don't even have those side markers. It's only in the US. So instead of me drilling into the lens, which I don't mind buying new ones because the previous ones were cracked. Oh wait, I'm gonna drill into these and then super glue them, because these lenses are technically ready and I can't find them online with the housing. So regardless, I had to separate them. But this, I'm gonna drill into this, and hopefully the lens instead will actually compress and bolt onto the fenders. So the lens will hold onto the fenders instead of the back of the housing holding onto this. So that's my plan. Ordering it's coming in Japan, so it's probably gonna take three months. But Dude, can we just appreciate this? Like, that's insane. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put these back on and start on these. Oh yeah, so these, take these out. Holy crap. So some people take out the whole headlight to take this out, or you can take out the bumper, take this out, and I'm like, not all about that life. So let's put this back on and then let's just do it with the only car. Okay, you guys can't tell me that almost looks brand new. Obviously up close you can see the crack right here. See that? Yeah. So don't think I did that, but still, look at that, dude. That y'all capping with me. Like y'all capping with me. See that? Just, and you see this one? Musty and gusty and just gross. Like, it feels rough. And you feel this one? Ooh! Y'all capping with me, bruh. Like, come on. Tell me that don't look good. Look, it's so close. You can almost see. You can almost see it. Dude, that looks so new. Like, look at that. See from top, right? From here? It's like, what do you see? Joe Mama. But look at this. This is why I literally call this thing magic sauce, cause this thing just gives you nothing but sauce. Oh, y'all be in the comments be like, oh, how long that lasts? I don't know, but it look pretty good. Look at this now, dude. Oh my goodness, I should have done before and after pictures. I forgot. I only did some for this, but sorry, you probably won't get any for this one. But oh my goodness, dude. Look at it. You can actually see my reflection. That's crazy. Look at that. Feels smooth, like butter. Now, what I do want to do is put some LED bulbs in my license plate lights, because oh my goodness, I think I gotta, you know what, here, I'll do it outside. Actually, I'll do it outside. It's kind of hard to see because it's daytime anyway, so I'm gonna turn the lights. Cutie. But if you look, you can see they're definitely yellow and they don't look good, so let's go ahead and change that. Do I know how? No, I don't. Let's find out. Wait, I forgot to mention, now that the lights are on, don't mind that, but dude, you can, oh my, look at that. You can, the lights kind of go through, but oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that lighting. Well, they still look kind of yellow, but dude, that's insane. That's actually insane how good that looks. Let's turn it off before. Let me just appreciate the pop-ups real quick. It looks like it's smiling. Kind of. What? Let me turn it off before the battery dies. I'm pretty sure you saw, well, you kind of see it, but it was a yellow. Oh wait, I didn't have it on. Is, yo, dude, that's a huge difference, dude. Like, oh my goodness, I'll wait till it's nighttime and then I'll show you guys. Like, oh, holy crap, bussin'. Alright, so that's basically about all I wanted to do today, except the front side marker was not planned, but it just kind of happened. So I'll probably order a new one today or tomorrow, and it'll come in whenever. So I have a couple more parts still coming in, so like that one I'll probably forget about that one, but when it comes in, it'll come in. So I probably won't drive it around without that missing side marker, so probably won't, you know, wait, I'll probably wait it out. But anyways, what you can look forward to is I got some, in this box is actually from Tryezz, and I got some LRB speed. So yeah, next video I'll probably start working on the engine bay a little bit, cleaning it up. So stay tuned for that. That's a little exciting for me because, you know, I haven't touched that engine bay since that radiator, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, so kind of excited for that. So I want to just say thanks for clicking in, and I'm probably gonna start on the cinematics. And don't worry, I'll probably post, or not post, I'll probably record when it's like really dark to show you the LED lights, because on the license plate, like you can't see at night, and I'm like, it's fine, but like I kind of like the LED because it just looks good, you know, like on a 30-year-old car having LED license plate lights. Bye, yeah. But cue it.